All right, truck is at the shop. We're gonna get it painted. Just need 3 doors, like 2 fenders, and then the front valance, and that's it. This thing's gonna look sick. Now I'm just looking for KMC wheels and maybe size 35s. But from what I heard, you have to cut the front bash bar up there, which we'll see what we can do. But we'll give it about a week and a half, maybe 2, and this thing will be back on the road.
I wanted the diagnostic guide with more accurate tillage 2024 type face.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
Welcome back to what would hopefully be the second to last video of this build. Right now we're getting the doors on, getting everything prepped for paint, and then we'll send it off and it'll be back within a week or 2. Just need 3 doors, 2 fenders, and the front valance to be paint matched with the 2-tone on it as well. Now we're gonna get some wires hooked up, but you guys will see yourselves in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy and stick around for the end.
See you Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday I work till. Truck is done. Finally got painted. Got both doors on. Make sure I match the gap in between so it fits nice and smooth. This I'll adjust back home. Just want to get everything on. That way when I close the hood, all the panels align roughly good so I can drive it home and then fix it there. Got both fenders done. 3 doors done. Front valance painted. Now everything looks sick. If you guys can see, the back looks nice and smooth. Everything matches. Now, put everything together, drive home, put the windows on, the door panels, all these rubber trims, and this truck is gonna be nice and finished. I'm excited to get this thing back on the road. Truck is officially back from paint. We have all the 3 doors painted already, as you guys can see. Got the 2-tone back on there. And then we have this side as well. Both doors are done, as well as the front fender has the 2-tone as well. Now that we got the doors back on, we already got the window trims and door panels on. Just got some little things finished up here and there. And then I'll do a full walk around outside in the sun. And that should be the end of this build, which is exciting. Putting these belt molding back on. Then I have this window door trim. And let's see what else. Along the door, there's a weather strip and then a little smaller one up front that I need to put. One right here and then on the inside as well. Next up, the front valance. I need to put that on. And then on the inside of the fender, there's these little foam pads right over here that I need to throw back in for road noise. And then once that's done, the truck is 100% done. Oh, I need that. Down, I need 2 hands. All right, just need this piece. I have the piece, but there's a little clip missing that they don't sell separately, so I gotta buy the whole new piece. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna see if I have enough clips to get this door weather strip on. Got the last part right here with the sensor. Gonna attach it to this and just clip it back in. Looks good. Truck is all done. Just need to do an alignment. This wheel is not sitting straight. When I drive, it sits, this part right here, sits that way. So it's covering the speedometer, so I don't know how fast I'm going, which I need to get in line. Other than that, the truck is done. Need to do a 10-minute build and we are good. If you guys love that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're now officially done with the Ford truck, the F150 King Ranch, and now moving on to something else. I will be making a 15-minute build on this car. That way you guys can see from beginning to end of what we had to go through to get it running. I'm gonna do a separate video as well, going over costs, pricing, parts and whatnot. That way I cover everything so you guys can be informed. But we really appreciate you guys sticking around, liking, commenting, subscribing and whatnot. We'll see you guys in the next video.